Hello everybody, in this video we are going to talk about downloading hundreds of the TikTok videos without any watermark and with the titles, with the hashtags, whatever that is written in that video that will be included here. And remember, this video is only for the educational purposes. If you want to download TikTok videos for any other purpose, then I don't recommend you to follow this video and download for any other harmful purposes. So let's get started. By the way, by following this method, you can also download Instagram Reels, and I will be applying this method on my own account on TikTok. The method will work on Chrome browser, so just go to Chrome browser and first of all here go to the Chrome extensions here and add this extension. I already have added this extension to my Chrome, and once you add this extension, you will see here mass TikTok video. All right, so pin this one here at the top. As you can see, this is already pinned. Now just go to TikTok. Here you need to search the channel which you are referring to. For example, I search nature. There are so many channels offering the nature videos. I click on any of them and you already have this extension here. You will see this download all option. You just need to click on that. It will analyze the videos on this TikTok account. Look, there are 301 videos on this TikTok account. I wouldn't need all of them, but if you want, you can just try all of them. I'm gonna write only 5 videos. Make sure your internet speed is good. Just go to hit that button. Wait for some seconds. All right, here is the file. Just go there and it's a zip file. Double click. Here it is. And here are all the videos. If I go to rename, you can see that hashtag is there. If I go to rename this one as well, and the same video can be displayed here. Now, same is applied to Instagram. Just go to instagram.com first, and first go there actually. Type and go to this place. This is my profile. If you didn't follow, just go and follow this profile. Once you install this extension there, you will see mass download. Just click on that. And here are different options. I have 1,350 posts on my Instagram, and those posts also include my photos. So let's say I want to download some photos from my own Instagram account. Then I need to write 1 to 15, not just 1,300 is a big number. And you can also choose selected post. If, for example, I'm just gonna go for a reel and I can select a particular post and download that. Instead of selected post, I can also go a random sequence, for example 1 to 10 or 1 to 15. Let's say 1 to 15. You can also choose from the date uploaded. I'm gonna go for this central option and click on download. All right, here is our file. Now let's open this one. It's a zip file. Double click, open, and here we go. Here are all of my videos from the Instagram. Close. Here in the side-by-side window, you can see this video is here and this is here. Now similar video is here, that is here. There is no watermark here. Now I can show you the TikTok as well. If I open this one, there is no watermark for this video as well. All right, so this is quite easy, right? If you didn't like and subscribe, then do it. Come on, give the positive signs to this algorithm and let me grow on YouTube. Why you're stopping me to do so? I'll see you in the next one. Bye.